Here I propose a smart parking space monitoring system based on Internet of Things, trying to improve the efficiency of finding vacant parking spaces. Thus, waste of public parking resources can be avoided in both Phoenix and Belfast. Do you remember those headache times when trying to find a vacant parking space outside Costco or Walmart, or inside a parking structure in downtown Phoenix or even on campus? Most times there are some parking spaces left, but it's pretty hard to find one. Circling around in the parking lot, especially in the parking structure floor by floor, to find a vacant space is not efficient and it's a waste of time and gasoline. Here let me show you a real example of mine trying to find a parking space in the morning on campus. The video was recorded by my dash camera. I was a bit late that morning, so I wisely skipped the first and second floor, circling around on third floor. When I was almost gave up, I found that lucky vacant parking spot at last. There should be a good and simple way to solve this problem. Borrowing the idea of IoT, we can design a smart parking system to monitor the vacant space in the parking lots or parking structures in real time. First, the vacant space information needs to be detected, then sent to computer for further analysis and integration, and finally published to user end, for example, smartphone apps. So users can know exactly where the vacant spaces are and head there directly. Two common ways to monitor the vacant parking spaces: using wireless sensor or using image recognition. Here I propose to using image recognition because its advantages, including its easy to install, wide coverage, and low cost. Benefiting from the development of real-time image recognition, computer vision, and deep learning technologies for autonomous driving, it is possible to monitor the vacant parking spaces using just cameras. Since most parking structures already have security camera system built in, if not enough cameras, we can just add more at a pretty low cost. Then we just need to analyze the video data in real time and extract the vacant space information. Comparing to autonomous driving, this is a much easier case. We can build this kind of a smart parking monitoring system at the busiest parking areas, gather all the vacant parking space information and send to a cloud service for sharing, like to map apps. With the help of voice control like Google Assistant or Siri, we can imagine we no longer need to circling around to find that vacant parking, just asking Google. Hey Google, tell me where to park.
You can park at Rural Road parking structure. There are vacant spaces on third floor zone A.
If this is realized, we can make it much easier to find a parking, save everyone 5 to 10 minutes every time they park during busy hours. Needless to say, we also prevent waste of a lot gasolines and reduce carbon dioxide emissions.